This is a short video to show you how custom tags work in Limbo. The very first thing we're going to do is actually create a custom tag or add one to a task. So all we need to do is open up any task, and when I do that, there's an option to tag the task. Now I select that, and you can see here on my demo account I have a bunch of different tag options. Originally you start with 3, and then you can add as many as you want and modify them. So I can add a tag here, and I can also edit my tags. And I'm just going to click on the edit button so you can see a couple things that the custom tags can do. So of course you can edit the name, and you can also send notifications when that tag is added to a task. This could be great for saying, hey, this is a safety task, I want somebody to know about all of my safety tasks, and there's a bunch of other options like that, or situations like that. The other things here are you can create additional notifications or change the priority when a custom tag is added to a task. Now that we've seen this, let me show you how easy it is to search your tasks due to this tag. So I'm going to go actually to my completed tasks here, and I have a tag that was called Department of Agriculture. And this could be any regulation. I'm just using Department of Agriculture and as an example because some companies have to report their pesticide and fungicide use to the Department of Agriculture. So because I have that tag, if I just start typing in Department of Agriculture, I'm going to see all of those tasks that have to do with it. This is really great for regulation. Let's say that you have an auditor that wants to see everything that meets up to ISO 9000 or something like that. The auditor comes in and says, hey, what are you doing? All I have to type in is ISO 9000 right here if I've been using my tags properly, and I'm going to show him or her all of those upcoming or all of the completed tasks. And if I attach that ISO 9000 tag to my PM section, then I'd be able to do the same thing. I would be able to show him all of the tasks that have to do with that coming up in the future. And that is a great way to answer all of the auditor's questions in a short amount of time without having any hiccups. Now, another place where you can use these custom tags is actually in the work request section. So I'm just going to go into one of my areas here, and I'm going to click on Customize. And towards the bottom here, there's the custom tag section. You can see that it's showing, and it's going to allow somebody to tag this request, or I could put in something else like choose category or whatever it is that we're using. And this allows for a drop-down menu when somebody is filling out this request. So I'm going to open up the work request portal, and you can see that there is a tag list request, and you can see all of my custom tags here as a drop-down.